first step takes courage. With support, we encourage you to take that first step. Whoever you are, wherever you're starting from, wherever you want to go, we can help you get there. It takes time, so we give you our time. It takes positive motivation, and we give plenty of that. We look after the pros, but we care about everybody's fitness. Young, mature, mighty, petite. If you've never been in a gym before, it doesn't matter, we'll walk you through it. There's so much here to help you. Not just the equipment, but the experience, the advice, the attention to detail. This place is our home, and we want it to be yours too.